Hi everybody, what's up Zoidies, and welcome back to another video. So in this video I will be doing a planner spread from this soft Serenity paper pad from Michaels. This paper pad is so beautiful and it's so relaxing, so I thought it would be cute to make a video showing it for the mini, because I did make a video for the micro, so make sure you check that out. It will be my previous upload. It came out so cute. And I love the cover that I got from my micro. It is just so adorable. And these spreads are perfect for breast cancer awareness. So I am a little behind with my content. So I am doing it late, but I'm glad I'm able to get something out there. So like I said, this spread is going to be for my mini happy planner. And I did recently put out a video as well, setting up my mini happy planner for Halloween, which was super fun. People did like the video, so if you want to check that out, I will link the mini happy planner playlist at the end of this video. And y'all, let me know how the video look. I did try a different software because I am having issues with my computer and the current software, so I'm just trying something different. So let me know how the quality of this video look and sound. You know I want to give my Zoidies high quality videos, especially when it comes to showing stationery. So with the mini happy planner, I did show that I was using the Simply layout, but for this layout, I'm not using any kind of like canvas. It's just a blank canvas. So I wanted to use my score and trimmer to cut the pages out for the mini happy planner. And this is the page I'm going to use. I think the pattern is really pretty. I love the shade of pink on both of these sheets. They're both like a muted pink, which is really pretty. And I usually do like hot pink, like loud pinks for breast cancer awareness, but I wanted to do something different this year, so I think it's going to come out really cute. The trimmer that I use is from We Are Makers. I purchased it at Michael's and I love this trimmer, y'all. It is perfect for measuring stuff, scoring stuff. You can make bows, everything. And I use this solely for cutting, but you can do a lot with it. It's called the Works Tool by We Are Makers. I love this thing. It is very accurate with measuring and cutting, so that's why I love it. It is my holy grail and it is what I always use. Now that I've cut my sheets, I will be using some washi tape to also put this spread together. I don't know, I kind of thought about using, there's this washi tape that kind of got like flowers and florals on it, so I thought it would kind of look good because this is floral too, but I also wanted the contrast, so I don't know, I'm just doing stuff. Honestly, when I make these spreads, I just do stuff. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less, because of course it is supposed to be fun. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this washi tape, and I decided to go ahead and line it on the top and the bottom because why not? I really want this pattern to stand out and show. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the stickers, and I'll be using a combination of stickers, but mostly from the Rainbow Sticker Book from Happy Planner, which I found at a bargain store. And then I will be using a couple of breast cancer stickers that I created as well. So I hope you guys enjoy the montage of me putting this beautiful spread together, and then I'll come back at the end and we can see it in my planner. This spread came out so good. Please let me know down below what you guys think about it because I am loving all the pink, especially the different shades. And I love that I added a foil element on there. Y'all do see that, right? The gold foiling really brings the spread together. It's so adorable. And then on top of that, of course, you know I had to continue adding stickers. Like, I don't know what it is about me and stickers, but I'm so addicted to them. I want them everywhere on my page. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and watching me put this spread together, and I hope that it provided some inspiration for you guys because I love how it came out. Remember to let me know down below and subscribe for future videos of planner spreads and inspo. Bye guys!